Hello, I'm Hayden, Llewellyn, Chief Executive of the EWC, the Education Workforce Council. I'm pleased to present to you the EWC's strategic plan and also its strategic equality plan for the year commencing 2024. The EWC is the independent professional regulator for the education workforce in Wales. We register now over 90,000 education practitioners. In the two plans you can see information about our work. I'd encourage you to take a look when you can. You'll have details there of our work as a registration body, an organisation that has a code of conduct and practice, and also our fitness to practice work. In addition to those regulatory areas, you'll also see information there about our other statutory functions, including providing advice to government and others, and also promoting careers in the education workforce professions. We're also a body, as you'd expect, that's highly committed to equality. We've refreshed our strategic equality plan. We've made it better, stronger, more detailed than the past. I'd encourage you to take a look at that also. As always, if we can help you in any way, feel free to contact me or the team here. Thanks for your time.